Breaking news. President Nobelius Nucleus is resigning from his position as president of Cellland. Who will take his place? I'm Sally.
If I could, I would vote for the vacuole.
Please, the obvious choice is the mitochondria.
How about instead of pointlessly arguing, we have an organized debate on which organelle we think should win and why?
We can meet here in 30 minutes with a mini presentation. After we present, we'll decide who's right.
Well, have fun losing!
So, to start off, who wants to go first?
Not me.
Of course. Fine, I'll go first. Now, who knows what peroxisomes look like?
I don't know.
Peroxisomes are green, sphere-shaped organelles. Up to 100 of them can be found inside a cell, depending on the type. There are also membrane-bound organelles.
Oh, that means they're protected by a plasma membrane that covers the exterior of the organelle.
Correct. And although they originate from the endoplasmic reticulum, they can be found within the cytoplasm of cells as well as in both plant and animal cells. Within the peroxisome's membrane, you will find digestive enzymes that can break down and get rid of toxins. A cool fact about the peroxisome is that depending on the location of the organelle and what type of cell they are in, their structure and function can change so different tasks can be completed.
Now that we've covered the structure, can we move on to what it actually does?
Sure. Peroxisomes digest amino, fatty, and uric acids, as well as alcohol. Another job that the peroxisomes are tasked with is breaking down hydrogen peroxide in the cell due to the fact that hydrogen peroxide is deadly to the cell. So, how do they do this? Well, let's go back to the structure of the organelle, specifically the enzymes inside. One of the enzymes inside the organelle is called catalase. In the presence of catalase, H2O2 gets broken down into H2O and O2. Now it is no longer deadly to the cell. Due to these facts, the peroxisome has to trap the H2O2 inside them and let the catalase do its job. So what would happen if there weren't any peroxisomes in Cellland? Well, there wouldn't really be a Cellland. If peroxisomes didn't digest, then the cell would be overrun by alcohol and acid. Also, the hydrogen peroxide would eventually destroy the cell anyway. The peroxisome is helping the other organelles stay in a healthy and clean environment.
Oh, they're almost like an underappreciated generator of Cellland.
Well, I still think the vacuole is better.
Created using Powtoon.